Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude to Microsoft 365. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main workspace along with your account and settings options. Once the page is loaded, look toward the bottom left area of the screen where your account menu appears. Click on your account to open the available options. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Claude lets you manage preferences, integrations, and connected tools. After the settings page opens, find and click on Connectors. The Connectors section is where you can link Claude to external services, including productivity platforms like Microsoft 365. Once you are in the Connectors area, move to the top right corner and click Add. This opens the option to set up a new connector. After that, choose Browse Connectors so you can view the list of services available for connection. This is helpful if you are not already seeing Microsoft 365 on the page. In the connector search field, type Microsoft 365. As you enter the name, the matching connector should appear in the results. When you see Microsoft 365, click on it to open its connection page. At this point, you will see the option to connect. Click the Connect button, or whichever button is available for starting the setup, and then follow the on-screen procedure. Depending on your Microsoft 365 environment, you may be asked to sign in, review permissions, or confirm access. Read each screen carefully so you understand what Claude will be allowed to access through the connection. If your organization uses additional security steps, such as approval prompts or multi-factor authentication, complete those as they appear. This is a normal part of the connection process and helps keep your account secure. It is also a good idea to make sure you are signing into the correct Microsoft 365 account before approving anything, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal use. Once the setup is complete, the connector should appear in your Claude connectors list, indicating that Microsoft 365 has been linked successfully. If something does not work right away, give the page a moment to refresh and check whether the connection status updates. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of connecting Claude to Microsoft 365, from opening settings to completing the final authorization steps.